In this video, I'm going to show you how you can automate the client data collection and process in Financial Sense and get your documents faster from clients. We found that one of the biggest struggles firms face is getting client documents. This causes work to fall behind and waste up to 20 hours a week for firms. So that's why we built this feature. So when inside Financial Sense on your projects, you'll see a tab called Client Tasks. When you click into here, you'll be able to create a request list. So I went ahead and created a request list for this monthly bookkeeping work that we do for Adeline Collins. However, you can customize your own request list. You can add new requests. You can change the order of the requests. You can even change the upload destinations. Once you finish creating your request list, adding the descriptions, and giving the due dates for your client, next you set up the automation. So let's go over here to manage notifications to do that. First, you want to choose the start date. So what date do you want these reminders and automated requests to start sending? I'm going to say the first of the month. Next, you'll choose the automated reminders. How often do you want our system to follow up with your client until they get it done? In this example, I'm going to say every 5 days. So now you've started the automated process. Your client will get this request list on the first of the month, and it'll follow up with them every 5 days until they get it done. The best part about this process is that if this is a monthly bookkeeping project that recurs every month on the first, it's automatically going to send this request list. You don't have to reactivate it every month. It happens automatically, automating everything from start to finish. Your client is going to get a request list that looks like this. It's going to have your firm's name at the top. It's going to have your name, some other firm information for social proof so they trust it. It'll show the work it's for, and then it will show the actual items that you're requesting and when they're due. Your client can click this button, which will then take them in to their portal. Now, the best thing about our portal is that clients love it. They do not have to create a password or username to access the portal, making it a lot easier. Instead, we use secure magic links and verification codes to keep everything encrypted and secure. So when inside the portal, your client will be able to see the request that you sent, as well as other active requests, which is great. So if there's backlog or other requests, your clients will be able to see that you need that information and can go ahead and send it to you as well. They'll be able to activate the click into that request. Here they can see the actual request items, so they can upload any documents that you may need, right? They can mark them completed. They can ask you questions. And then as they complete any of these actions, you will then be notified inside Financial Sense and via email that this has happened. You'll be able to click those notifications and view the items the client sent you inside of Financial Sense. So not only does this automate client data collection and help you get documents faster, but it organizes it in one place. So now when your team is working on their work, they'll be able to come here to see the documents that they need from the client and the communication between the client. They'll also have team communication, files, emails, and other apps. Everything your team needs is in one place. A really powerful feature in our new client portal is that your clients can also set up text notifications. All they have to do is click this, type in their number, and then now your client will not just get email notifications like this, but they'll get text notifications on their phone, letting them know you're requesting information so they can stay on top of the request and get you the documents you need to get your work done.